Good day, everybody. We are here at the Yareena Park, and we're here to have lunch with the Thai Italian restaurant. Top notch place. Pretty pleased with it. We were here about 2 years ago, so we thought today we'd come in and give it another try. We know the coffee shop is closed right now due to health or a death in the family. Yareena Park. The last time we were here, there was a wagon here. We didn't walk through the whole thing, so I'm not sure where it went to. Look how tall this guy is here. I bet he's 50, 60 feet tall. And Hulk, probably 7.5 feet tall. It's hot out here, rain season, so we're getting a nice day today for a change. And for anybody interested, the park opens at 10. The restaurant opens at 10. And it closes at 6 p.m. Gonna take a peek over here on this side. It's really not the season to be coming here. Oh, it's the little buildings you can rent. That's kind of cool. So again, it's the off season, so everything is closed down. You see a like swimming pool, spa type there. Just before season, they'll come back and cut all the grass and make everything more usable. This side over here goes around to where the restroom is, and it's a real pretty walking path area. You can see the water's milky because of the rains. And right over here there's a sign that says Thai Italian restaurant is open. So that's why we came here today. It's like an hour drive for us to come here from Serene. Yeah, during the season they'll have boats in here that you can get in and paddle and just cool down, basically. You can see there's a lot of these little huts all around here where you can bring your food or buy your food at the local places that are selling around here and have your picnic lunch. Oh, there you can see the duck boats across the way. I didn't see them when I walked by. Okay, here's a sign that's pointing for us to go to the right. Jai started to take off down this direction here. I asked, did you see the sign? There's a cute little thing you can sit. They must sell stuff here, but it says it's a taxi. You can see they probably sell drinks or something here when the season's up and going. This is the steps to go down to get on the little boats. Okay, we went all the way around the pond and there was no way to turn to go to the restaurant. So I think to the left, the way Jai was gonna go, she was right, and I talked her out of it. Okay, so we turn to the left here right after we make the left turn. So I guess you can buy your food here and then take it out and eat on those things that are surrounding the pond. It's kind of nice. And I don't know that they're even open. It says they are, and Jai called and they said they're open. But if it is, we're literally the only ones here. Okay, they are open. Buddy cop. Yeah, this is right where we sat last time we were here, but I think we were here during the season last time, but it was very busy. Jai is guarding my beer here while I video it. I got Leo beer with my lunch, and I got a John ice cup to drink it out of. And pizza coming soon. Jai got her Thai basil here. Kapow. She was excited to get it. And I decided today to shake it up a little bit. We've been eating so much Thai food all the time that I thought I'm going to try their pizza and see how it tastes. It looks like it's going to be good. It was last time I had it here. This is the Yareena Park Thai Italian restaurant. I recommend it. Come give it a try. This is exactly how I felt when we were driving here. It was an hour on the road, and I felt just like that. What a great place to come visit. I really recommend if you're anywhere near the Serene area. This is like an hour drive from the city of Serene. And if you're here during the camping season, they have really nice tents that have air conditioning in them even, and they have buildings that are brand new. The coffee shop is somewhere over in that direction, and it's closed this week because of a death in the family. Otherwise, they have really good coffee too. It's a really nice coffee shop. We're coming across the bridge and coming into where the dinosaurs are. That's a big dinosaur. The transformers here are pretty awesome too. The last time we were here, they had some sort of a event going on inside this. Kind of cool. Check it out. They did an excellent job on all of this stuff. It's cool as can be. Jai getting ready to go for a ride. I don't think she can hold this bad boy up. These guys are really big. I mean, like, probably the dinosaur is probably 20 feet tall at least. These guys here are probably 8 foot, at least 8 feet tall. And those ones in the back, I don't even know what to say. They're, I don't know, 40 feet tall. They're huge. They did a really impressive job making these things. See the gun he has here on his back. Oh, whoever the artist was that did these did a really good job. I'm impressed. Really good job. You can look at the motor inside there. As you can see, we've been sitting on this stuff here. And there's signs here that say, do not sit here. In English even, so. This is the direction to get out to the entrance and exit area. We hope you enjoyed the content today here at the Yareena Park. And it's a nice place. I would recommend you to come see. Anyhow, if you reach down, mash that like and subscribe to help our channel. We'd appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
Out.
We're out.